in connection with the case now registered under the Enforcement Directorate?
Well, after the Federal Bureau of Investigation registered a case under Prevention of Corruption Act in another sting operation case, the Enforcement Directorate has filed its own case, which is under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. And ED officers have said that they will soon issue notice to TMC leaders, including sitting MPs, ministers, and also some prominent leaders, and then ask them to join the investigation. It could be more trouble for TMC primarily because under PMLA there is a provision of attachment of properties, bank accounts, and also assets, real estate assets. And ED has said that since Calcutta High Court had told CBI to file a case.
Okay, hold that thought, Bhavtosh. We have Mohammad Salim, senior leader of the CPM, joining us. So, Mohammad Salim, it seems trouble mounting for the TMC. This time, the Enforcement Directorate has also filed a case on a PMLA case against TMC leaders. Your response to this development?
From the day one, we were saying this, that the agencies should go very hard and find out the truth. The Trinamool Congress leaders, top leaders, including ministers, MPs, and mayors, so not only just taking a bribe, the way this money laundering has taken place, the way this corruption has taken place, this is the tip of the iceberg. And that's why Mamata Banerjee from day one was saying first, this CD is no wrong, then implicated falsely the Samuel Matthews, then went up to the Supreme Court challenging the Calcutta High Court.
Yes.
And now the pressure from the people also in Bengal is that all these agencies, ED, CBI, they must farm action. And it's not only just filing case, not only arresting them, they have to pursue the case so that the conviction takes place. Normally in the political corruption case in India, conviction rate is very low.
Right.
And Mamata
So,
Banerjee
yes,
must
your
be
point's
interrogated.
well taken, sir. You are saying this is tip of an iceberg. You're saying stern action must be taken as a precedent and these tainted leaders should not go scot-free. Do stay with us. Rahul Sinha of the BJP also joining us now. Rahul Sinha, we all know how TMC has been crying foul and calling this political witch hunt. Bengal elections are, of course, around the corner, and TMC perhaps is once again going to say that the government is using the agencies under it to target the TMC.
देखिए, वो लोग पैसा खाएगा, खुलेआम पैसा खाने के लिए टीवी में लोग देख रहे हैं। पहले उन्होंने बोला ये सीडी जाल है, लेकिन अभी फॉरेंसिक रिपोर्ट और कोर्ट से सीडी सही है, ये जानकारी मिलने का बाद भी कैसे बोल सकते हैं? जो यूज कर रहा है, इन्होंने कोर्ट में, सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जो केस लड़े थे, गवर्नमेंट का पैसा से केस लड़े थे, गवर्नमेंट का धन को यूज कर रहा है प्राइवेट लोगों का केस में। ये जो केस हुआ, इन केस होने का बाद इन लोगों को तो गद्दी से हटाना चाहिए पहले ममता बनर्जी को, उसके बाद आरोप कुछ लगाना चाहे तो लगाए, लेकिन पहले जो कलंकित है उस कलंकित लोगों को पद से हटाए। कलंक मुक्त जब हो जाएगा तब उनको पद में वापस आए। तो इसीलिए मैं तृणमूल को कहना चाहता हूं, पहले सही जो करना चाहिए वो कदम उठाओ। और ममता बनर्जी इसके पहले एक सीडी कांड हुआ था, तब उन्होंने एनडीए गवर्नमेंट छोड़ के निकल गए थे, जो हम नहीं रहेंगे ऐसा।
राइट, बट ममता बनर्जी